Prove that sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. Take the LHS. So sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta, we can write it as a sin theta into sin square theta divided by 2 cos cube theta, we can write it as a cos theta into cos square theta minus cos theta. So sin theta common thing. Sin theta once a sin theta. So you are left with a 2 sin square theta divided by, again cos theta common thing. You are left with a 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. 1 minus 2 write as it is. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Close the bracket. You write 2 cos square theta minus 1 as it is. Next step, sin theta divided by cos theta. 1 minus, we multiply 2 into 1 2, minus into minus plus 2 cos square theta. Close the bracket. 2 cos square theta as it is minus 1. It is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Put a bracket here. So 2 cos square theta minus 2 1, that is a minus 1 divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1. So you can cancel it. You are left with a sin theta divided by cos theta. You know that is equal to tan theta is equal to RHS.